At around 10 p.m., the Secretary General, who was fired yesterday, were in a position of calling a meeting inside of a Stanley Hotel. Sifuna was in a position of saying that he is still the Secretary General of the party, despite him being removed from office. He was accompanied by various leaders, include Winnie Odinga, Babu Owino. The deputy party leader also was in a position of attending the meeting. Sifuna was in a position of accusing Oburu Odinga, who is the party leader, on the confrontation that happened. He was in a position of saying that they'll hold a meeting in Kitengela so that they can give the next direction. He was in a position of saying that the late Raila Odinga did not raise cowards in the party. He was in a position of saying he will stand strong to fight and liberate this country. He was in a position of saying that the only mistake that he did is to chant one term and not to support the current regime. He was in a position of saying that the MOU they were in a position of signing in the NADCO report, it didn't reflect what they said. In the 6 month time, the